Okay, so here we're going to do a mixture problem. The problem is, as it states, David wants to make 14 liters of a drink that is 10% juice for his club at school. At the store, he finds a drink that is 15% juice and a drink that is 8% juice. If he decides to mix them together, how much of each should he purchase? So what we're going to try to do in our problem is figure out how many liters of each should he purchase between the 15% juice and the 8% juice to make a 10% juice for his club at school. So what you're going to want to do is you want to do a method called magic cylinders. You're going to create your cylinders. You're going to have this cylinder added to this cylinder, going in to make this cylinder. So on the top, you're always going to want to put a percentage, a price, anything of that sort. So in this case, we're going to put 8% right here, 15% in the second cylinder, and we want 8% and 15% to create a 10% juice. So that goes in the third cylinder. It's going to be our final product. In the bottom, you're going to create your second equation. So you want X amount of 8%, Y amount of 15%, and 14 liters in our final cylinder. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to create your equations. So you can't forget to divide the percentage by 100, because if you left it as that, it wouldn't equal 100%. So you got 0.08x plus 0.15y equals 0.10 multiplied by 14, which is what you get from 14 liters. Your next equation is just simply going to be x plus y equals 14. Okay, so you're going to write that out. You're going to multiply 0.10 by 14. You're going to get 0.08x plus 0.15y equals 1.4. You're going to write your next equation right underneath it, just as it has right here. X plus y equals 14. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to solve for x or y. You can choose whichever kind of way to figure it out that you want, but for me, and for easiest possibly, you're going to multiply this equation by 0.08x and take out the x and solve for y right here. So you're going to go 0.08x plus 0.15y equals 1.4. You're going to multiply this equation by 0.08. You're going to get 0.08x plus 0.08y equals 1.12. That's what you get when you multiply 0.08x by 14. 1.12. You're going to draw a line under that, and you're going to solve. So you're going to subtract to get rid of the x and get your y. So you have 0.07y equals 0.28. Now simply you just do simple math from right here. You divide by 0.07, and y equals 4. That's going to give you your y. Now you need to figure out your x to get the 8% juice. So you're going to substitute this, y equals 4, into your original equation. And it's clearly the easiest one, x plus y equals 14. So you got x plus 4 equals 14. Simple math, subtract, x equals 10. You're not done there. You gotta write out the answer corresponding to the problem. So you're gonna write it in liters. So you want 10 liters of x, right? So you want 10 liters of 8% juice, and then you want 4 liters of 15% juice. That's your final answer. There you are.